Money mistakes Jamaicans make. Buying expensive cars. While people think of cars as assets, if you're not using the car for money that pays for the cost of purchasing it, fueling it, and maintaining it, cars slowly turn into liabilities, meaning something will take money rather than make money, and eventually it'll go broke you. These are one of the trickiest money mistakes Jamaicans make. Addictive habits. One of the unflattering truths in Jamaica is that addictive habits eventually make you broke. Whether it's herbs, diet coke, flesh, pills, liquor, or whatever. The upfront cost may seem small, but if people add up all the money we are going to spend on these vices over the years, the amount of money could have changed some aspect in your life right now. These are the saddest money mistakes Jamaicans make. Expensive clothes. Of course, everybody want Fendi, Louis, Gucci, but if you live in a Jamaica, with a little research, you find out that most of the clothes sold in Jamaica fake, and people only wear these name brand clothes for hype and their perceived enemies and people around them. This possibly are the stupidest money mistakes Jamaicans make. Worthless degrees. Growing up in Jamaica, we always hear education are the key, and that are true, but a key can only open a door. And as a university man, we can tell us that most degrees taught by Jamaican universities useless because of the industries where Jamaica have available. Most graduates don't even work in their field of expertise and end up a call center and a bag of debt. But because it's so popular in society to get a degree, these are one of the most common money mistakes Jamaicans make. Trusting government. We think we're kind of out of the era where people just trust government to fix every economic issue with the population have. I think people should take responsibility for the most part, because we know the government have a part to play in the economy of Jamaica, but as Jamaicans we know that the powers that we elected necessarily not go help unless it's a grave crisis. And after these powers continually show us this, people still are gonna make these money mistakes Jamaicans make. Group economics. Since the last couple of years, everybody that's on this mission to stay to themselves and be antisocial, but most of the biggest companies in the world are owned and run by families, close friends, or fraternities. But in Jamaica, because most families and friendships are broken, people are gonna still make the same money mistakes Jamaicans make. Opportunity cost. Let's say I have a choice for go party or work on a business for the night. Most people are gonna take a break and say, yo, go on a party cause a one time that is me. While working on a business could bring you closer to the million. People often choose immediate enjoyment over long-term work, and the trade-off between the two, that is called opportunity cost. People always make the wrong decision of the two and end up making more money mistakes Jamaicans make. Saving won't save you. We all know how to save, but this alone not gonna save you. For example, back in my day, a cheese spot was like $80. Now fast forward, now almost twice or 3 times the price. Now imagine if me did I save the same $80 from way back when. That can't really buy nothing now. Now imagine if the party price increase every month. Basically that name inflation, and this lead to a lot of